Welcome back. So, if you're building, deploying, or heck, even just using AI, you're basically navigating a minefield. And that minefield, it's the constantly shifting world of data and AI regulation. It's complex, it's high stakes, but today we're going to try to make some sense of it all. Let's dive in. Okay, before we get going, just a quick heads up. This is part 2 of our 10-part tutorial, and it's all based on a really comprehensive report by Virtualization Options LLC. Now, what we're covering here is for general information. It's really just a fraction of what's in that full report. So, and this is important, it comes with no warranty, and it is definitely not legal or financial advice. So, let's just cut to the chase, right? What are the actual stakes here? I mean, how much can one little slip up, one single mistake in data privacy really cost your business? How about this for a number? 20 million euros. That's a potential fine under Europe's GDPR, or, and this is the one that gets everyone's attention, 4% of your company's entire global revenue, whichever is higher. And this isn't some theoretical threat. Just ask some of the big tech giants who have been hit with massive penalties. Yeah, that kind of wakes you up, doesn't it? Okay, now let's look at a number that seems smaller, but trust me, it can be just as devastating: $7,500. Under California's rules, that's the fine for a single intentional violation. Now just think about an AI system that's processing, I don't know, thousands, maybe millions of records. You can do the math. It gets terrifying really, really fast. And it's not just broad laws. If you're in a specific sector, like healthcare in the US, the numbers are just as big. We're talking up to $1.5 million per violation category per year under HIPAA. You see, these aren't just some abstract risks on a slide. These are the kind of financial threats that can literally sink a business. So here's the bottom line. This isn't about dodging one single law. It's a tangled web. You've got Europe's GDPR, California's CCPA/CPRA, Canada's PII, and specific US industry rules like HIPAA. They all have serious teeth. And that means understanding this whole regulatory landscape, well, it's not optional anymore. It's just fundamental to survival. All right, so let's start with the big one, the one that really changed the game for the entire world, GDPR. People call it the global gold standard for data privacy, and honestly, they're right. The thing you absolutely have to get about GDPR is its reach. It's huge. It literally doesn't matter where your company is based. If you so much as touch the personal data of anyone in the EU, boom, it applies to you. And it sets a super high bar for everything: getting consent, only collecting the data you really truly need, and of course, respecting people's rights. And for AI, this creates some, let's say, unique challenges. Take the right to explanation. How on earth do you explain a decision that was made by some super complex neural network? You know, the classic black box problem, where the AI's logic is so tangled up that even the people who built it can't fully explain how it got from point A to point B. Or how do you prove you got valid consent for every single bit of data you use to train your model? These are the kinds of tough questions that GDPR makes you answer. Okay, let's hop across the pond to the US. Now, instead of one big law like GDPR, what we have here is, well, it's a patchwork quilt of laws. It's this complicated mix of powerful state laws and really strict industry-specific rules, and it just keeps getting more complex. And the biggest, most important piece of that quilt, for sure, it's California's CCPA, which has been beefed up by the CPRA. You can almost think of it as a GDPR light, but for an economy that's, one of the biggest in the world. It gives Californians a ton of rights over their data and puts a huge compliance burden on pretty much any business that touches the state. Then you've got those industry-specific laws, like HIPAA for healthcare. I mean, if your AI tool even gets close to sensitive patient health info in the US, you are deep in HIPAA territory. And that federal law has incredibly strict standards for protecting that data, with, as we saw, some really severe penalties if you mess up. And this is where it gets really complicated. A single company could easily fall under all of these. Think about it. A US health tech company. They have customers in California, right? And maybe they have users over in Europe. Suddenly, they have to navigate the overlapping, sometimes even conflicting rules of GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA all at the same time. It's a total compliance maze. But wait, there's more. The story doesn't stop with just data privacy. We are now entering a whole new phase, where lawmakers are creating rules not just for the data that AI uses, but for the AI systems themselves. So, what's on the horizon? Well, the field is about to get even more crowded. On top of all the data privacy rules we've talked about, we're now seeing dedicated AI regulations pop up. We're seeing moves in Canada with its PIPDA law, but the one you really need to watch is the EU AI Act. The EU AI Act is, frankly, a game changer. Its core idea is actually pretty simple, but it's revolutionary. Not all AI is created equal. So it creates these different risk categories. You've got unacceptable risk AI, which will just be banned outright. Then you've got high-risk AI, and that's going to face some incredibly tough rules about transparency, human oversight, you name it. So this whole approach really boils down to 4 key steps. 1, you've got to figure out where your AI system lands on that risk scale. 2, based on that risk level, you have to meet a whole bunch of new requirements. 3, you've got to ensure transparency and have real human oversight. And 4, get ready for a lot of documentation. This right here, this is the future of AI compliance. It's risk-based and it's AI-specific. Which, of course, brings us to the big critical question for you. AI is moving at lightning speed, and you can see the regulators are racing just to keep up. So as your business adopts this amazing technology, you have to ask, is your compliance strategy just built for the rules we have today? Or is it actually ready for the much more complex world that is just around the corner? Look, navigating all of this is a massive challenge, and honestly, we've only scratched the surface today. This whole explainer is based on a really in-depth report from Virtualization Options LLC. So if you want a much deeper dive into these regulations and, more importantly, how to tackle them, I absolutely recommend you check out that full report. Thanks so much for joining us.